Okay, so for today's episode, I'm going to share to you how to sync all your adjustment settings to all your photos in Adobe Lightroom. So for today's episode, I'm going to share to you how to sync all your adjustment setting, color, brightness, exposures to all your photos inside Adobe Lightroom. This is a super quick tutorial for you guys. I just bought a sunglass to my sister last night, and this is my sunglass. Though it's cheap because I don't buy expensive sunglass na mawawala ko rin lang, kaya hindi ako bibili ng mahal. Bibili ako 50 lang, bibili ako 150, 300 nga, expensive na. So, same thing lang naman din para hindi ka masilaw. And recently, my eyes are so sensitive in light, so kailangan ko mag-shades sa labas. Kaya bumibili ako ng mga shades na halagang 50 pesos. Because, I'm so, in Filipino, we used to call it kripot, but practical. So, without further ado, let's do this. Alright, so this is how you do it. Open your Lightroom, select all your photos, and grab in Lightroom. So, pag nandyan na sila, hit import. Pag na-import mo na yan, hit D to edit. Pupunta ka sa editing. Alright, so for example, this photo right here, I'm going to adjust all the settings from this photo. For example, yung kanyang let's say kanyang temperature, color temperature, exposure, let's say, okay, highlights, shadows, I love shadows, whites, natin ang konti yan, clarity, vibrance, saturation, like that, and the famous tone curve, the S tone curve that I'm going to teach you soon, maybe. Alright, maybe like that. So okay, so kung masaya ka na doon sa edit mo, if you're happy with that settings, just hit Ctrl A to highlight all the photos and just hit this sync button right here. Lalabas ang synchronize settings, lahat ng naka-highlights dyan, yan yung mga tinouch mo, yan yung mga ginalaw mo, and hit synchronize. So all your photos from the first one hanggang sa pinakadulo, magsisync sila lahat. So, see that? Like, sync na tong isang to. Hindi ko na siya ginawang perfect, yung tamang pagkulay, just to show you how to do it. How to sync. Kasi may kulay ka rin naman, magkukulay ka rin naman. Ayan, this is the photos. Okay, so for example, you have your own preset. May preset ka na adjustment setting na nakasave na sa files mo sa loob ng Adobe. So, ganito gagawin mo. Pag i-hit mo lang yung photos na i-edit mo and lagay mo lang yung, for example, yung favorite mo na preset. Like for me, itong paborito ko, Isaiah. Pag nilagay ko dyan, Isaiah, nandyan na. Almost done. Perfect color in my eyes. So, para mas mabilis yung trabaho mo and you are in a rush, nagmamadali ka, at gagawin mo, kailangan matapos mo ito, ma-edit mo lahat yan, and you believe in your faith na tama yung exposure mo, lahat ng ginawa mo sa lahat ng photos mo. You don't need any adjustment, just highlights mo rin yan and sync. Just going to sync in all your photos yung nilagay mong preset. So lahat ng preset na yun, kung mapapansin mo, yung preset na yun nasa photos na, nakalagay na sa lahat ng photos, perfectly aligned. So that's how you sync your photos. So ang gagawin mo na lang, lahat na may kulay, lahat na may preset, nakalagay na lahat, hindi mo na sila lahat lalagyan, hit preset, next photos, hit preset, lahat na may preset. So ang gagawin mo, if you are super perfectionist, yung gagawin mo is bibisitahin mo lang lahat ng photos na yun, i-adjust mo lang ng konting lang lahat ng photos na nilagyan mo ng preset. But for some instances, hindi nila ginagawa yun kasi almost perfect. Almost perfect. The way how you shoot it done. Perfectly done. And yes, that's it for today. I'm wearing a glass. You know? I'm wearing a glass. So yes, that's it for today. If you like this video, just hit like, share this video, subscribe kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe, hit the bell para kung may bagong video, alam mo agad, and see you next class. Hirap magsimula ng vlog kapag maraming ingay. And my wife is siya ng katok. Hindi ako matapos-tapos. Oh my gosh. So many distraction in this place. Dogs are barking. Alright, so if you don't mind that dog's barking, let's do this. So, I guess